If you like the content to our channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, put the notifications on. It's the fastest way to see our inventory and incoming vehicles. Good morning, everybody. This is a 2021 Honda Civic LX. Has some collision damage to the right front. See some damage to the bumper, headlight, hood, right fender, apron. The suspension is back a little bit. You can see some damage to the wheelhouse. The vehicle does start. It does move under its own power. Salvage title. These are one of our more popular vehicles on the export market right now. Let's take a look inside. Interior is pretty clean. You have 2 airbags that are deployed. Take a look under the hood. All the radiators and condensers are fine. All the coolers are fine. There's no visible damage to the engine. It does start. It's only 1,200 miles on this vehicle. Anyway, it'll be on our website soon. Pricing, title type, all the details, more photos. Thanks for watching the video.